Let's continue the lesson about the attribute. For this video, I'm going to talk about the layout width, layout height, text size, and also the background. You can judge and guess from the keyword. The width and height is specific the width and height for the view or the view group. The value content is the web content and also the mesh parent. For the text is the text to display in the view. For the text size is the size of the text. And also the background can be the color or the image. So let's go to the Android Studio. I'm going to show you how all this is working. Again, try to make a new project by yourself and then look for the editor underscore min. By default, you're going to have a constant layout, but I'm going to change it to the linear layout first. Let's select the linear layout. By default, the linear layout width and height is mesh parent. So if the value is mesh parent, that means the linear layout will take all the space of the width and height of the UI. You can see a blue line here. It's taking all the space of the UI. Next, try to drag and drop a text field inside the linear layout. So in this linear layout, you can see the width is mesh parent and the height is web content. That means this text field will take all the spaces of the width, just like the linear layout. And then the web content, basically, they only take the space large enough to fit the content itself. For example, the text field size. So if I change it to the bigger SP, then the height will be a bit high. So you can try to change the width to the web content. Then you can see the space only take the content itself, the text field itself. Next, I'm going to fill the color inside the linear layout. Let's select the linear layout and then go to window attribute and select this button to show all the attribute inside the linear layout. Start looking the background attribute which here, or you can type the search button here and then type in the background. After that, then you can key in some of the value inside the background attribute. The current attribute is based on the hash code. We start with the hash and 6 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 00 is a black color, which I don't want this one. So I might want to change into the red color, or green color or blue color. To picking some of the color, you can refer to the material design website, which you can just search material design and then go to the color section. Then they will give you a bunch of the color that might you like. So for example, I'm going to select the green color using this hash code. I just copy and then paste here. So you can see the linear now is taking all the space of the UI. And then I will select the text view. And also I will check the background and then I will select different color. Maybe the brown color. So as you can see, the text view is taking all the spaces of the width if you're using the mesh parent value. So if I change to the web content, the text view only take the spaces they needed only. So this is what is the difference between the web content and also the mesh parent. We also change the value of the width and height of the linear layout. If I change it to the web content of the height, then the linear layout actually just take the space of the, just like the text view. If we add another text view inside the linear layout, and change it to the vertical first. So right now, the linear layout is taking the spaces of the content, which is to text field height. So I believe now you can understand between the wrap content and the mesh parent value for the layout width and height.